Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to prevent user to redirect back after logout. So let's see first what is the problem and how can we solve it. Okay, so let me go here. I already downloaded fresh Laravel application and install Livewire starter kit. Okay, so let me run the application php artisan sir. Okay, and let me go user or sorry in the browser. Okay, and if I click on register, I will just register one user using the fact filler. So just use the fact filler and create an account. You can see that after creating the account, it's redirect to the dashboard. This is working perfectly fine. Now if I go and just say log out, so that means I am going to log out from this system. If I click on it, you can see that it's log out. But when I am going to use the back button from the browser, okay, and if I click on it, you can see that I'm still back to the dashboard. So that should not work, right? Because it's already log out. And if I refresh now, you can see that now it's redirect. So that means this is not the behavior is the right behavior. So how can we prevent this issue? How can we overcome this issue? Like when you redirect back, it should be redirect to the login page or something like that. So I'm going to give you the solution using the middleware, and let's see that. Okay, so I'm going to create a new middleware. So let me go and php artisan mac middleware and prevent back middleware. Okay, I'm just give name prevent back, hit enter. Okay, and now let me go here and go to my VS Code editor app, http middleware, and you can see that prevent back middleware over here created. Now what I'm going to do, just it say like next to the dollar next and dollar request. So I'm going to store in response variable, and then I'm going to set the some headers on it so we can ignore the catch and we don't have to catch the data. Okay, so just say response headers set. Okay, and first header I'm going to set is catch control. Okay, so catch control, and I need to pass the argument. In argument I'm going to say no catch, so that means no catch my route. Okay, and then no store, then max edge equal to 0. Okay, and then at the end must revalidate, so that means it's not going to allow users to catch and all the things. Okay, and then let me set it another header, so response headers. Okay, and set. Okay, and then I'm going to set another headers, and that's called pragma, and I just need to pass no catch. Okay, and then I'm going to set it on another response, another header is set, and I'm going to give the name expires, and I will give the very old time. Okay, so set 01 for January and 1990. Okay, and 00 colon 00 colon 000 time I'm just setting 00 and GMT. Okay, and that's great. Okay, and at the end I'm going to return response. Okay, so this is perfect. Okay, so we have already set up the prevent back middleware, so that means it just not catch and they not store the catch, and user like a browser, we are going to prevent the browser to catch. Okay, so now let me register this middleware. So go to the bootstrap app. Okay, and go here middleware and alias. Here as an array argument I'm going to give the name of prevent back middleware, prevent back. Okay, and we have already created class prevent back class colon class. Okay, so save it. Yeah, so that means we have declared the prevent back middleware over here. And now let me go here into the routes web, and for the dashboard I am going to use after auth. Okay, and same thing you can use for settings profile, settings password, and appearance as well. So let me use it over here as well. Okay, in your Laravel child application. Okay, save it. Okay, and now let's see. Okay, so go here and run it again the application. So clear. PHP artisan sir. Okay, now let me go and go to again the home page. Okay, now register a new user, okay, using the fact filler. Okay, so yeah, and create a user account. Okay, so you can see that it's redirect to the dashboard. Now let me log out. Okay, yeah, it's log out successfully. Now if I click on back, you can see that it's redirect to the login page. Before it was redirect to the dashboard, but now you can see that using the browser event it's not going to work like that way. Let me show you again. So go to the sign up using the fact filler, create account. You can see that now it's redirect to the dashboard. Go to the logout, okay, and again go back from the browser. Okay, so you can see that it's redirect to the login page. So that means what this behavior is perfect behavior, so that way user doesn't come back to the dashboard area. So if you are using the Laravel application with the like CRM or admin panel or something like that, you must have to implement this middleware, and this is very helpful. Okay, so yeah, so this is great, and if you like this video then don't forget to share with your friends and like, share and subscribe my channel for more video guys. See you in the next video guys.